Hello everyone. Greetings to all the food lovers. Welcome to the Best of Indian Foods channel. Through our channel, we plan to give you a taste of the different regions across India. Please watch our videos, try out our recipes, like and share with your friends and family. We hope you also subscribe to our channel. Without a further ado, let's get on to today's recipe.
Today we are going to make a khichdi. So when it comes to the khichdi, there are a lot of varieties in it. Some people make it just with rice and only moong dal. But you need some combination. Either it can be a pickle or a chutney to eat with it. And there is a different variety which we make it with the vegetables. So for this khichdi with the vegetables, you really don't need anything. You can eat as it is. And the one what we are going to show you today, this we actually had it when we were living in Delhi at Akshardham. We really liked it, so thought of to share this recipe with you. So let's get into the ingredients without any delay. And for the ingredients, you need 200 grams of rice, 50 grams of masoor dal, 50 grams of tur dal, 50 grams of moong dal. So all these dals are of equal quantity, 50 grams of each. And you need some peanuts. And when it comes to the peanuts, you have to roast them, okay, for a while, either in ghee or in oil, and keep it separate. We are not showing this separately. So remember, you will have to roast it for a while. This is a vegetable section. When it comes to the vegetable section, there is no specific quantity for these vegetables. It is up to you. Okay, as per your taste, you can take it. So here we have taken some cauliflower pieces, potato pieces, some beans, carrot, and brinjal pieces. And this is mutton, a green peas. One tomato, we cut it in some bigger pieces, and chopped coriander. So this I call it spicy section. You need 20 grams of ginger and some green chili, 3 we have taken here. Remember, you have to make a coarse paste out of these two. Okay, we are not showing this separately. And 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, around 5 cloves, cinnamon sticks of medium size, you can take 2 to 3, and little bit of turmeric, and this is ghee. And ghee, you need it around 2 to 3 tablespoons, and salt to taste. And here tamarind and gourd, of course gourd you may not be able to say it, okay, we are soaking in water. Finally you will have to add this juice into the khichdi. All these 4 ingredients, okay, rice and the other 3 lentils, you have to soak them in water for about 20 to 30 minutes. First pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee in a cooker pan and add cumin seeds, cinnamon sticks, cloves. For about 30 seconds to 1 minute, add ginger and green chili paste in it. Then add tomato in it. Now add coriander powder and the turmeric and mix it well. Now add the roasted peanuts in it. You remember I told you in the beginning, you have to roast the peanuts and add those roasted peanuts in it. After half a minute, keep adding all the vegetables, potatoes, cauliflower, beans, all the vegetables including the green peas we showed you. Add little bit of salt in it and mix it well. Once all the vegetables they cook 50%, then add the soaked rice and lentil mixture. After adding all the soaked ingredients, add 6 cups of water. Remember, this is the cup where we have taken the rice. Now put the lid on and you have to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. There you go. So the khichdi got cooked really well. So we are almost there. Now before you take it off, add little bit of ghee in it, and then the tamarind good juice, chopped coriander, and little bit of salt. Salt, actually we felt it little less, so we are adding a little more salt here now. So now just keep it for a minute and your khichdi is ready. The hot, tasty, healthy and delicious khichdi is ready. As we first had it in Akshardham Swaminarayan temple in Delhi, we named it after Swaminarayan khichdi. So one advantage with this, whenever we feel lazy, we prepare this on Sundays as a brunch. So that is one advantage. You too try it out and enjoy the recipe. Thank you.